Hi everyone, this is teacher Sandra. So in this video, we'll be doing the stack model. Let's read the question. Mrs. Lee paid a total of $40 for 5 pens and 3 books. If each book costs $8 more than a pen, find the cost of a pen. So if you look at the question, it says here, each book costs $8 more than a pen. Okay, so I'm going to draw a comparison model for the book and the pen. So since the book costs more, I'm going to draw a longer bar for the book and a shorter bar for the pen. So the book costs $8 more, okay? So this part will be the difference, which is $8. Okay, so now she didn't buy just one book and one pen, she bought 5 pens. So what am I supposed to do? Let me stack it up in the model. Since she bought 5 pens, I've only drawn one. Let me put 4 more. So now I have a total of 5 pens in the model. How about the books? 3 books. Okay, so we're going to stack 3 books there as well. So put 2 more on top. There we go. Okay, so right now in the model we have 3 books and 5 pens, which is what Mrs. Lee bought. And she paid a total of $40, so let's put that into the model as well. $40 is the total. Alright, so what can we do next? The model is done. The first thing we need to do, let's look at this part here. All the extra parts there. Okay, the $8. So what we're going to do is to find out the total of those $8. $8 times 3, we have 3 of them, right? They give us $24. So what am I going to do next with the $24? I'm going to remove them. I'm going to take them away. So take them away means I'm going to take the total, which is $40, and I'm going to minus $24. So $40, I minus those 3 8s there. So $40 minus 24. We have $16. $16 would represent which part? The rest of the darker blue parts, which is here. And they are actually 8 equal parts. Okay, the 8 equal parts there make up $16. So if there are equal parts, what can we do? Equal, right? We can divide. Okay, so I'm going to take $16 divided by 8, since there are 8 equal parts, which gives me $2 for each part. Let me fill in the model. $2. Okay, so each of the dark blue parts will be $2. The question wants us to find the cost of the pen. Oh, so we have already found. The cost of the pen is $2. That's all. Okay, so that's all for this video. See you guys in the next.